Hi friends, welcome to Be Inspired. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Today I'm going to share you my financial analysis. I think I already done this last week and this week also I'm trying to analyze my financial analysis. Okay friends, so let's get started. You are able to see two different kinds of graphs on the screen. Those graphs are called pie graph and the circled one is called pie graph and the bar rectangles one is called bar graph. Okay, so based on these two graphs, I'm going to explain how to analyze myself. Okay, so like last week I said the same amount I'm taking based on these two apps. If I invest 5 lakhs in the market through these two apps like Quera, and the app names are Quera and Upstocks. So what is happening, and I invested this based on these two apps in three different ways. One is ETFs, stocks, and the other one is bonds. Okay, now finally let's come to this. And if I invest 5 lakhs in the market through two apps, that is Quera and Upstocks, which do brokerage for us. So I invested 5 lakhs in three different ways, that is ETF, stocks and mutual funds. If I invest, how much I'll get, how much percentage of profit I'll get, and what is the overall percentage of profit, how much we'll get, let's have a look. To make it more easier, I done that with the graphs like pie chart and bar chart. For example, if you observe this pie chart, if you observe this pie chart, in this, I invested 59.4% in Upstocks and 40.6% in Kuvera. This is about the mobile app. This is about mobile app like Kuvera and Upstocks. If you see the pie chart in this, now if you move on to the next pie chart, by seeing this, in this, I invested highest amount in ETF, that is 56.5%, and I invested 40.6%, second highest amount in mutual funds, and the least 2.9% amount in stocks. Okay, this is about invested vehicle. Now, if I move on to the third pie chart, what is this pie chart is saying about bonds and equities? Okay, it is saying about bonds and equities. And in this pie chart, I invested maximum like 90%. I invested in equities and very less amount, that is 9.9% in bonds. Okay, this is about the third pie chart and it is called asset allocation. And move on to the next, this bar graph. Now come to the bar graphs. In this, I invested 5 lakhs. So we all know that this is 5 lakhs investment. And in this, by seeing this bar graph, I got highest profit in Upstocks, that is 23.28%. And second profit I got in Kuvera, that is 13.31%. This is about bar graph telling about mobile app. And this bar graph is, I got highest profit in ETF, that is 23.43%, and I got second highest profit in stocks, that is 20.35%, and least profit I got in mutual funds, that is 13.31%. And this is saying, this person is saying about profit, how I invested. I said that I invested in three different ways. The one is ETF, and the other one is stocks, and the other one is mutual funds. So based on this, the profits are like this, and this is about invested vehicle. Now move on to the third bar graph. This is saying about asset allocation, and I got highest profit in equities, that is 21.22%, and I got least profit in bonds, that is 1.18%. And this is saying about asset allocation. Now we'll combine these two graphs because these two graphs are based on the mobile app, and that too, this graph is saying how much I invested, and this graph is saying that how much profit I earned. So based on this, means combining these two graphs, actually I invested highest amount in Upstocks, that is 59.4%, and in the same way I got highest profit in Upstocks only, that is 23.28%, and I invested second highest in Kuvera, that is 40.6%, and I got second highest profit in Kuvera, that is 13.31%. Now if you compare these two graphs, like invested amount and the percentage for profit I gained through this invested vehicle. See, in this, by seeing this, I invested highest amount in ETF, that is 56.5%. And here also I got highest profit in ETF itself, that is 23.43%. And I invested highest, second highest investment is there in mutual funds. But here in the profit, I got least profit in mutual funds, that is 13.35%, 31%. And I invested least amount I invested in stocks, that is 2.9%, but I got second highest profit, that is to 20.35%. So here my first investment is correct and my second investment is little bit changed. And coming to this asset allocation. In this, by seeing this, we can easily understand that I invested highest in equities, that is 90.1%, and I got highest profit in equities only 21.22%. And least invested, I least invested in bonds, that is 9.9%, and I got least profit in bonds, that is 1.18%. So by seeing this, my investment is correct based on mobile app, and based on this invested vehicle, the stocks is showing a little bit high when compared to the investment process, and whereas asset allocation also is showing the same thing. I hope you all enjoy my video. Please share, like, subscribe my channel, be inspired. Thank you. Thanks for watching.